On this video, we'll be showing you how to use your MyFocus app on your smartphone. Now, this is your main screen where you can see your net sales and your labor cost of your restaurant. Now, this is real-time information. If you tilt your phone sideways, you'll be able to add the labor percentage on your main screen. Everything that's in blue letters, you can click on it so you can drill down and get more detailed information on your restaurant. For instance, net sales, you can also click on it and drill down by report group. You can go ahead and see it as a pie chart, and you can drill down by items. For instance, we'll go ahead and click on beer, and we can see our units, our amount, and again, if we tilt the phone sideways, you'll be able to see our percentage of the sales. We can click on go back and go back. We can check our net sales, labor cost, labor percentage. On our voids, we can drill down to the actual check. So we can click on voids and see all the checks that we have a void in it, and click on one of these and drill down to the actual check, which is going to tell us the check number, the reason it was voided, the item that was voided at what time, the employee, the manager that approved that, and the quantity and the amount. And we can see all of our checks here that have a void on it. Go back, go back. Also with discounts, same scenario. We can drill down to the actual check. We can see our refunds, return items, gift cards sold, our payouts. We can check who was the first person to clock in. Click on it, and we can see that Isidro clocked in at 8:32 a.m. We have our averages by check, guest, and time. If we have any open checks, we can click on open checks and see all our open checks and the employee that has that open check. Let's go ahead and click on Hector and see the check that's open and for the amount that and the time that it was opened. We can see our sales by period. Let's go ahead and create a lunch, and we can see it on intervals of 1 hour. If we tilt our phone sideways, we can see how many checks also. We can add that column so we can see how many guests we had between 11 and noon, our sales, and how many checks with that. Go back. Items that we have out of stock, countdowns, and variable price. If they hit that open food button, we can see why they hit it. So we have a variable price on soft extra charge, and we can drill down to the actual check and who did it. We got our sales by order type, which was dine-in, to go, drive-through, etc. We have the people that are on the clock, so we can see that we have 2 cooks. We click on the cook, and we see that Jose and Tomas and the time that they clocked in. We have overtime warning, where the employees that are in overtime, and we have our system alerts, our current date, our business date, our last batch, and the time that it was batched, and if they did any cash deposits. Now on the arrows on the very top, we can go ahead and go to yesterday's date and see how the date closed. On the bottom, we have our manager's log, where they can input any message that they want to go ahead and rely. We can do it over the phone, or we can do it through the system. Hit just the add button, and we can select the date. We'll just go ahead and put, and if it's a medium priority, what kind of weather we had with a hot day, and we can go ahead and hit and to just put a test uh, log and log that. Okay. We can go to our check viewer and we can see all the checks that we have for uh, that date. We can go to today's date and see all the checks, and we can again drill down to the actual check. We can see it in details. Go back. We hit our home screen and we go back to the our main screen where we have all the information. So this is a quick tour on your MyFocus app.